Okay, let's go. Day 0, 12 hours before showtime. Wala pa kaming, last year pa to, so medyo tumagal na siya sa storage, so kailangan na siya na i-repaint. And then since it's a new concept, it's not Kuya, it's JPQ, so meron tayong bagong signage. And then ito si Jason, bagong tatay. Si Raul, graveyard shift, tapos sana makauwi ng alas 4 ng umaga sana para makatulog kasi yung pasok nila ay 1 PM. Well, ganun talaga. Ano to?
Digitan mo na siya para mamaya.
Okay. Then ayan si Mario. Mario, pakita ka para makita ka na asawa mo, nagtatrabaho ka. Baka sabihin ng asawa mo, saan ka pumunta? Ayan, stricto yan. Stricto. And electrical, no? Electrical. And then, may bago tayong... Oops! Ito yung bago natin na pakulo. It's a photo booth. Huwag ko na muna i-explain, bukas na lang. Kasi hindi pa tapos eh. So basically, ito, atras tayo. Ayan, magulo pa. Well, you know, kung tingnan mo, katabi na ito maganda talaga. Parang ginastusan. Alam naman. Diba? Ito kung tingnan mo magkano in dirhams, guesstimate ko plus equipment minimum 100,000. Ito wag na. Ito syempre mga like 10% or hindi naman. Yeah. 15-20% plus equipments. So yeah. Lahat ng mga neighbors natin, to be fair, maganda. Maganda yung booth, maganda yung lighting, maganda ang maganda. Sa atin hindi pa ganun kaganda. Pero bukas, as I would always say, basta. It's gonna happen. It's gonna happen. What I'm gonna do is I'm going to go home, get some rest, because the next 2 days will be, maliban physically draining, it will be socially draining. Alright, D-Day for the debut of our photo booth, and that's Jir over there. He will be operating that photo booth, and look, everyone's scrambling, everyone is getting ready. It's a big day for everyone, big day for us. Yes, may dagdag na naman kaming gamit, and yeah, everyone's yung vibe ngayon, parang everyone's kind of nervous, excited, no? Even these guys. Okay, nag-usap kami ni Jer kanina sa kotse. In a way, kahit na 4th year na namin to, or 4th year namin, in a way, nandiyan pa rin yung nervyos, yung kaba. Because, well, una sa lahat, it's a new concept. And then yes, every time may okasyon, may pimple ako. At saka, in a way, pinaghandaan ko yung araw na to. I mean, nag-skincare talaga ako. You know, walang mintis. And then, good morning. Good, I'm good. How are you?
Good.
Getting your steps?
Trying to.
Yeah, and so it's like, yeah, it's a once a year na parang everyone's just happy to see each other and good vibes lang. But anyways, going back, yes, I can still see that. It's so annoying. Oo, nag-skincare, disiplinado, then biglang PAM. But anyway, whatever. We can't do anything about that. Okay, quickly, it's a new concept, meaning it's never been done here in Alserkal. We always do Kuya, and now it's JPQ. So, and everything here is so polished and parang ginastasan talaga. And then all of a sudden, meron tayong yung atin lang. Eto. I'll flip the camera and yeah, it's pretty cool. That one too. Ito mukhang siguro solid to kasi may cordon, may pila. Ito yung maganda. Then, dun. Wow, ang daming ganap. Ang astig. Jane, I have to say you've outdone yourself. You've outdone yourself. Ang galing. Hindi to ganito kagabi. Ala, ba't hindi na to makintab? Bakit ganito yung pag... Ang pangit! Anak ng tokwa. Pero okay lang. May iba naman. Tangina si... Nangyari. Jane, wag lang masyadong maayos. Tsaka ayaw ko talaga yung Maui na to.
As soon as I left from Blue Rise, I needed somewhere to.
Okay, take it away, Jir. Nilapag ko lang yung foundation in a way, then bahala na si Jir mag-accessorize. Kaya ito yung tinatawag na collaboration. Kasi kung hindi tayo mag-collaborate, paulit-ulit na yung ating gagawin.
Hey, dito naman sa camera. 3, 2, 1. Thank you. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Picture tayo! Sige lang! More!
Sarap daw. Love it. Thank you so much.
Sobrang masarap. Sobrang.
Yeah.
Give us your feedback because we're eating more than we ate at my house.
For no food. She said we're so full we can't eat if we came from my house. Reduce meal. Hey.
Good luck, brother.
How are you? It's always fun to finish. It's like a puzzle, you know?
Yeah.
This is the best view. Or this is the best feeling, rather. Ganito lang ang buhay habang may nagtatrabaho, may nag-e-enjoy. Tama ba, kuya? Oo. Nag-e-enjoy sila kasi tayo nagtatrabaho. Pag ikaw naman nag-e-enjoy, sila naman nagtatrabaho. almost 5, and since we opened at around 11, hindi pa tayo huminto, and ito mga staff, hindi na nakangiti. Pagod na. Pero tuloy-tuloy pa rin. Okay, that was a really long day. Everyone's just tired, and we're gonna continue tomorrow. Sobrang pagod. Bukas na. Let's go home.
Hey.
So this is day 2 of our event, and it's been crazy. We're blessed. It's a nice feeling. I'm just overwhelmed by all the goodness that people are showing, and I think first year was about sort of like intro. First year was what again? Ganda rin ang style niya actually. First year was sort of like introducing ourselves. Second year was they had an expectation. Third year was respect. I think fourth year is now slowly acceptance. Tama ba?
Do you think, did you see a lot of customers or like, customers na you saw only before like an Al Circle?
I actually don't recognize most of our customers, pero what I've noticed just looking from afar, parang they recognize us. Alam mo yun?
Yeah.
So it's a nice feeling na
Sobra. Nakakatuwa talaga.
that they find how we're different, they find it cool or they accept it. And I think also tayo rin, we embrace really who we are. Tama ba? Nothing, just sit there. No.
Okay naman siya.
Okay naman, oh, sige. Pwede tara. Let's go. Love the pants. Anong pants yan?
Real free.
Ha?
Real free.
And your shoes?
It's the Gordana Plasticana Club.
Ano?
Gordana Club.
Okay. Hindi ko na, sobrang tito ko na hindi ko na alam ano yun. It's coming. It's coming. Rice is coming.
Guys,
Alright. Let us explain.
beef skewers on caramelized onions. So basically, it's kind of like a biscuit. So our beef steak, chicken skewers with crispy chicken skins, chara, double cooked chicken, and and this is adobo grilled. Then our beef empanadas with tamarind bacon. Okay, enjoy. Okay. Thanks, chef.
Yes, that's episode.
So they're very, No, not curious. They're very kapal mukha. Them. What's that in thick face? They want to hurt.
oh man, no. No worries.
Come on.
No worries, guys.
And on the second day, it rains. Pero tuloy pa rin. Tingnan mo. Wala kasi kaming bubong eh. Kasi dito sa Dubai, hindi naman talaga umuulan eh. So si Jay naka-hood. Pero ang kagandahan, yun ang sun. May hangin. And the sun is out again. Yay! Tuloy ang party natin. Tuloy ang festivities. And may konting pila na ulit tayo. Kanina medyo kinabahan ako kasi nawala ang pila. Wala lang. Alam mo yun. Just the perfectionist in us. An indoor skate park. There's merch. And And what's the second floor, babe? There's pizza. And there are guys doing tricks, except for me. Kasi, Tito. Mag-explore naman tayo. Kasi, di ba, when you travel, like for me, when I travel, I always just go to restaurants and eating places. I never go to museums. I hate it. So, here in El Cercal, let us do, I guess let's explore also the artsy side of things. And actually, food related pa rin kasi we're gonna get olive oil here. This is really good olive oil. The best olive oil in the UAE. So this is ice cream with olive oil and sumac, is that?
Yeah. Olive oil and za'atar.
Za'atar.
These are.
Wow.
Oh wow.
We had to halt a little bit because surprisingly, it's raining in Dubai. Minsan lang nag-umuulan sa Dubai, ngayon pa. Ngayon pa. Pero tingnan mo. Mga kabayan, mga Pilipino talaga may naghahanap talaga palagi ng paraan. Ayan, paraan-paraan lang talaga. May ulan kasi. Okay, 11:10. Tapos na. Naubusan tayo mga 8 o'clock, no? Yes, 8 o'clock. Mga 8:30 like. And then, masaya lahat. Dami namin napasaya. Sobrang pagod. Hindi na kami nakapag-shoot kasi parang sobrang ganda ng moment eh. Parang hayaan mo na lang. Siguro, pag nandito na lang kayo makita nyo. Pero minsan may mga ibang bagay na hindi naman na ayaw i-share. Pero parang hinayaan na. Versus na, eto bang, diba? I mean versus, teka lang, ulitin nyo. Minsan merong na, hayaan, tsaka na. Then, yun, so I guess, ewan ko, mahirap minsan sundin yung vlog, pero wala, happy lahat. Pati si Jir, happy. No? Happy ka?
Sobra siya.
Bakit?
Fulfilling.
Bakit?
Masaya yung guests. Nagandahan sila sa designs. Nag-gets nila yung fashion nito yun. Nag-gets nila yung point namin, yung stand namin sa FNG. And also sa pagiging Pilipino. Diba?
Parang ngayon iba na yung tingin nila sa atin. Parang lalong, wala, nakaka-proud na talaga. Kaya every time pag nakakita kami ng pila or ng mga tao, we still pinch ourselves.